Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Young Minds GK. Today we are going to discuss about 30 most important question and answers of world history. World history part 2. We already dealt with the world history part 1. If you want, go for world Young Minds GK world history part 1. Let's begin with question number 1. Which was the divine language of medieval Christianity? Answer: Latin. The religion Christian was the most populous religion in the world. The religion Christianity was founded by Jesus Christ. Question number 2. Who wrote the famous book Divine Comedy? Answer: Dante. Dante was the Italian writer who wrote the famous book Divine Comedy. His other work was The Monarchy. Question number 3. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? Answer: William Shakespeare. The English writer William Shakespeare wrote the famous book Romeo and Juliet. His other works are Julius Caesar, Hamlet, Othello, Macbeth, and King Lear. Question number 4. Who was called as the navigator? Answer: Prince Henry. Prince Henry, the King of Portugal, was known as the navigator. He was interested in shipping and navigation, and he opened a school of navigation. Next question. Who explored the mainland of South America? Answer: Christopher Columbus. Christopher Columbus was an Italian explorer and he believed that Earth was round and it is easy to reach India. Next question. Which country was known as the motherland of Renaissance? Answer: Italy. Italy was known as the motherland of Renaissance or school of Renaissance. After Ottoman Turks captured Constantinople, the scholars flew to Italy and they began the movement called Renaissance. Next question. Who was known as the father of humanism? Answer: Petrarch. Petrarch was known as the father of humanism or father of Renaissance. His works are Laura and Africa. Next question. Who invented steam engine? Answer: James Watt. Because of the Industrial Revolution, James Watt invented steam engine. To commemorate this, the SI unit of power is measured in watt. Question number 9. In which year American War of Independence started? Answer: 1776 AD. The American War of Independence took place in 1776 AD to 1783 AD. America was the colony of Britain. The British leader Lord Cornwallis was defeated by the American commander George Washington with the support of French. He was the first president of America. Next question. Who drafted the Declaration of American War of Independence? Answer: Thomas Jefferson. Thomas Jefferson drafted the American War of Independence and he wrote a famous book called Declaration of Independence. He was the third president of the United States of America. Next question. Where did Industrial Revolution took place? Answer: England. The Industrial Revolution took place in England in 17th century. The Industrial Revolution took place in 1750 to 1850. Later it spreads to Western Europe, North America and Japan. Next question. Who quoted, "The French Revolution would not have occurred if Rousseau was not born"? Answer: Napoleon Bonaparte. Napoleon Bonaparte born 1769 AD. His famous saying was, "I was born when my country was dying." And he is known as the child of revolution and destroyer of revolution. He fought a famous battle called Battle of Waterloo in 1815. He established a University of France at France in 1808. Next question. In which book is regarded as the Bible of French Revolution? Answer: Social Contract. Social Contract was a famous book written by Jean-Jacques Rousseau, famously known as J.J. Rousseau. His famous saying was, "Man is born free, but everywhere he is bound in chains." Next question. Who donated the Statue of Liberty to Americans? Answer: French. The American War of Independence took place between 1776 AD to 1783 AD. The French played an important role in the American War of Independence. After America got independence, the French Revolution started in French in 1789 AD. Question number 50. In which month the famous October Revolution took place? Answer: November. The famous October Revolution took place at Russia Russians were following Julian calendar till 1918. The October Revolution took place 25th October 1917. The Julian calendar was 13 days behind the Gregorian calendar. After 1918, they followed the Gregorian calendar. Now they are following Gregorian calendar, and the October Revolution commemorates on 7th November. Next question. When was Battle of Waterloo took place? Answer 1815. Napoleon Bonaparte was defeated by allied nations. The famous Battle of Waterloo took place in 1815. Napoleon exiled to St. Helena, an island of Atlantic Ocean, and he died on 5th May 1821. Next question. Who founded the famous society Young Italy in 1831? Answer Joseph Mazzini. Joseph Mazzini born on 1805, and he is regarded as the soul of Italian unification. He believed that pen is mightier than sword. Next question. Whose popular policy? What was the popular policy of Ottoman Bismarck? Answer blood and iron. His famous saying, the great questions of the time will not be resolved by speeches and majority decisions, but by iron and blood. It was the famous policy of Ottoman Bismarck's blood and iron policy. He played an important role in the unification of Germany. Question number 19. What was the immediate cause for First World War? Answer murder of Crown Prince Austria Archduke Francis Ferdinand was the main cause and the immediate cause for the First World War. The First World War took place between 1914 to 1918, and the Second World War took place between 1939 to 1945. Next question. Who wrote a famous book called Mein Kampf or My Struggle? Answer Adolf Hitler. Adolf Hitler founded Nazism in Germany, and he played an important role in the Second World War. Question number 21. When Japan attacked Pearl Harbor? Answer 1941 December. Naval base of United States of America called Pearl Harbor. It is in the Pacific Ocean, and it was attacked by Japanese. Several American ships were sunk, so it is the reason that United States of America joined the Second World War. Question number 22. What is the name of the atom bomb which dropped on Hiroshima? Answer Little Boy. Little Boy was a bomb which dropped on Hiroshima, a place in Japan, on August 1945. Another bomb was dropped on Nagasaki called Fat Man, which was dropped on 9th August 1945. Question number 23. Where is the headquarters of ILO situated? Answer Geneva, Switzerland. Geneva was the capital of Switzerland, where the ILO headquarters is located. ILO means International Labour Organization. The other organizations like World Trade Organization, World Health Organization, World Meteorological Organization, World Trade Organization are located in Geneva. Next question. What is veto? Answer. Veto is a special power given to 5 permanent members to negate any resolution of the United Nations. The 5 permanent nations are United States of America, England, France, Russia, China. Question number 25. When was the First World War took place? Answer 1914 to 1918. There were two groups called Triple Entente and Triple Alliance. Triple Alliance were Germany, Italy, and Austria. They were called as Central Powers. And Triple Entente were France, Russia, and UK. Question number 26. When was the Second World War took place? Answer 1939 to 1945. Next question. Expand NAM. Answer Non-Aligned Movement. This was the third world nations. The first world was known as America, and the second world is Russia. Question number 28. When did Belgrade Conference took place? Answer 1961. Belgrade was the capital of Yugoslavia, where the first NAM conference was held. The Indian Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru took part in this conference. and he played an important role in the establishment of non-aligned movement. Question number 29. In which year Vietnam united? Answer 1975. The North and South Vietnam were united in 1975. And the last question, 30th question. The headquarters of NATO. Answer Paris, France. NATO means North Atlantic Treaty Organization, and the headquarters of NATO is in Paris, the capital of France. Please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel Young Minds GK. We are providing important questions on history, geography, Indian polity, astrophysics and general science and so on. Thank you one and all.